All right, friends, if your window AC is leaking and dripping down below, you can see this on the ground. There are a couple reasons that's happening. Let's check it out. First, you may not have the drain plug, it's just a rubber plug, installed in the back of the drain hole of the condenser pan. I remove my drain plug to prevent mold from growing back there, which is basically like a petri dish in that condenser pan. So I just choose to leave that out of my AC. You can check out my other videos about that topic. It's slightly controversial to do that. Or if you do have your drain plug installed and are still getting water leaking out the back of your window AC unit, it could be that the condenser pan is infiltrated with mold, and you want to remedy that as soon as possible by inspecting the condenser pan area in the rear of the unit. There could also be some debris back there clogging up things and not allowing that sling blade on the fan to sling the water against the compressor to cool it off. So either way, check it out. Is your drain plug installed or removed, and have you inspected for mold or any debris that is clogging the condenser pan in the rear of the unit? Either way, let me know. Post your comments below. I'm always here to offer suggestions on this topic, as I am the window air conditioner expert authority on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of cool stuff here at Epic Alternatives, and you guys stay cool in these hot, sweltering temperatures.